Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll see how to create Amazon product review videos using our Faceless clip. So if we look at some channels first, how do these channels actually do affiliate marketing? For example, suppose if I look at this one, here you can see that the images in videos inside the Amazon product are combined, and then the video is edited into a slideshow. Well, not exactly a slideshow, but the images are animated with transitions, and then a voiceover and AI voice is used to create the voiceover related to that product. Then it's edited, and these types of videos are being published on YouTube, and the audience who watch these types of videos might check the Amazon description. In the YouTube description, click on the product they like and then buy that product through this affiliate link. So he buys that product. Because of this, a commission is added for him buying the product, as we all know. So this can be done through affiliate marketing. And if I check, this channel is already monetized and it's posting regular videos. The first video was posted, it seems they've posted many videos, 1.1K videos. It's entirely automated. So you can see they've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. They've been working for quite a few years and it's a monetized channel. Besides this, if I show you some other channels, for example, if I show you this channel, they're also using the same system. They're using the same system. Look, the products are in the description and these are affiliate links. If you click on these, you can buy his product through the affiliate link and he'll get a commission accordingly. And these videos you are seeing, you'll see that our faceless clip videos have even higher quality than these. The main reason for this is that we've engineered it in such a way that the Amazon products are sent to the AI, and then the AI will create images for you, maintaining the exact product color and identity. The AI will create images for you, sometimes with models wearing the products, meaning sometimes it will create ad type images. These are combined, an AI voice is generated, and finally everything in a project folder, including the thumbnail and description. You just copy and paste. If you search, you'll find many channels that are doing Amazon affiliate marketing this way. So we'll go to our software first. We'll see how to actually generate this. Just go to a new project. You can make long or short videos about Amazon products. So we click on long, then here you'll give your project any name. For example, if I look at this, a smartwatch. So what I did with the smartwatch, I named the project smartwatch here, and this is the keyword. If you use the smartwatch keyword and select 10 products here, that means your entire video will be created by searching for 10 products. You can reduce the quantity of products here, and if you want custom products, meaning you'll provide a curated list of products, you can do that here, 10 or 20, a maximum of 20. So you can generate a video with 20 products using those products, and then what happens is you can put your Amazon affiliate tag ID here. That means you always have an Amazon affiliate tag ID. If you put the tag ID here, it will create product links for the products you use to make the video along with your Amazon affiliate tag. It will create product links for the products you used to make the video along with your Amazon affiliate tag. So this is an interesting thing. You won't have to do any work at all. You won't have to search for products, just copy, and I'll show you once the whole video is generated. And here are video styles. There are many video styles, but the popular one is you can also do split. Split shows your product features on the right and your image on the left. And popular means the whole image will be there and there will be a voiceover. The products will be shown as 1, 2. Besides that, there are some minimum features. You can test them, but I recommend using the popular one. After that, if you want specific image animations, you can give them. Otherwise, if you choose random, each one, and we understand these, which provider will use for chat, which provider will use for audio transcription. Since I regularly use the Oxy Unified API, I've added. You'll see Gemini, or if you use OpenAI or 11 Labs in the drop down here. So I selected this. I'll always give it 2.5 plus for a bit of speed. And here script V2. And here for smartwatch, I gave 10 products. Not 10 products, I'll give 5 products. And it's popular here. You can arrange 5 or 10 products, however you like, no problem. Most people use 10 products. After that, for background music, just select the folder like before and you can choose I've selected a background music. You can also adjust and you can select an overlay too. It's the same. If you select the overlay folder, you can preview and select any overlay you like. So the opacity is also important. I always set the opacity to 15%. If it's higher, it turns black. And here's an important point. This will normally be off by default. Convert product image to AI image. Now, if you don't convert the product images, the quality won't be as good. And you won't be able to do it for free. No, you must have Oxy or Gemini for this. If you have it, clicking will generate these using Nano Banana, the images. And here you must use the concurrent setting you have in Oxy. The maximum is usually 3, so I'll set it to 3. And auto-generate thumbnail. This means it will generate 4 different thumbnails for you based on the product's keywords and pattern. It will generate 4 types of thumbnails. You'll use the type you prefer or already use for your YouTube channel. So I enable this too. After that, this is for manual review. If you want to say that rendering isn't needed, and you'll click render after checking. So I click next. Next, you'll add your own voice here. Always use the same voice for your Amazon affiliate channel. Always use that specific voice for that channel. Using different voices for different videos isn't good practice. Similarly, for thumbnails, if you use a male character, female character, or no character in your thumbnails, then use no character thumbnails for. That's also a system. So here, I just used a default 11 Labs voice. I click next. Then from here, you'll select the font you always use for subtitles. So I confirmed it. Once confirmed, you'll see it start generating here. This is something I had from before. It will keep generating and I let you know what I generated. No, it takes about 5 to 7 minutes to generate. So it will take time to generate, which is why we are providing it to you. We generated this using a smartwatch. If I click on open folder, my folder will open and you'll see that our final video is already there. Let me open and play it for a bit. Let me play it. Here it is. The image is generated, the watch on his hand, it's all AI generated, and this is the watch you're selling. It's not like some manipulated image was generated. Our mechanism is designed so that this specific watch is placed right here. However, if you notice any mismatches, please let us know. We will definitely try to fix it. You saw it. You saw it. I hope you understood. And what will be included with the final video? Look here. With the final video, if I click on the product, you'll see that all the products. I didn't add the affiliate tag for the 5 products. It wasn't added here. If you add the tag, so your job is just to copy this and paste it into your channel's description. Make sure to include your affiliate tag. If not, there's no need to add it initially. You can add. So you'll just copy and paste this directly into your channel's description. You don't need to write anything because the affiliate disclaimer and everything is already. Next, there's the issue of thumbnails. For thumbnails, as I mentioned, the AI will automatically generate 4 thumbnails for you. You can choose the thumbnail you like, and if you always want to use a male character thumbnail, then use a male character thumbnail. If it's a female, use a female. If you say no, just the product image will do, you can do that too. And if you say no, just the product image, you'll use the type of thumbnail you usually put on your channel in your own style. And there is no more trouble. You just enter the keyword here. After that, once the final video is generated, there's nothing else to do. Your only job is to copy and paste. You will upload the video, copy the product, put it in the channel description, the video description. Then pick any thumbnail and add it. So let's look at another thing, like what was generated in the media. These aren't full-sized images. When you make a video with them, there will be black borders on both sides and it doesn't look. Those who do it for free might use this system. If you want to do it at a premium level, keeping the AI converted image on will generate images like these for you using AI and your product very nicely. So I hope you understand, and I hope you can now do Amazon affiliate well. Thank you. Goodbye.